Say goodbye to backbreaking scrubbing. Let this smart mop do the work. Scrubbing floors by hand? That's old school. The BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam takes over the dirty work with dual rotating mop pads spinning at 230 RPM, tackling even the most stubborn, dried-on messes with ease. Combined with the power of adjustable steam, it lifts grime, grease, and bacteria without harsh chemicals, just pure, sanitized clean. Unlike traditional mops that just push dirt around, this one breaks it down and locks it away. Whether it's muddy paw prints, sticky spills, or everyday dust, this mop makes your sealed hard floors look brand new, without you breaking a sweat. Loud, clunky steam mops? Not this one. The SpinWave SmartSteam runs 80% quieter than competing models, meaning no more deafening motor noise while you clean. You won't have to wait forever either. Steam is ready in just 20 seconds, so you can start mopping the moment inspiration strikes. Plus, its smart LED display keeps you informed of steam levels, floor types, temperature, and when the water tank needs refilling. Need to mop in a dim room? No problem, the built-in LED headlights illuminate dust, dirt, and grime, making sure nothing escapes your cleaning power. Not all floors need the same treatment, and this mop adapts on the fly. The fingertip control panel lets you choose between 2 steam levels or a no-steam mode, making it safe for hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, and more. Unlike traditional steam mops that leave streaks or puddles, this one delivers perfectly even moisture for a flawless, streak-free finish. The swivel head glides effortlessly under furniture and into tight corners, making sure no spot gets missed. Whether you need a gentle clean or a deep scrub, the SpinWave SmartSteam delivers pro-level results every time. Stop wasting money on disposable mop pads. The machine-washable microfiber pads can be reused over and over, saving you cash while reducing waste. And if that's not enough to feel good about, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping rescue homeless pets. So while you're cleaning up after your furry friends at home, you're also helping animals in need. It's a mop with a mission. Less waste, less expense, and a whole lot more clean. This mop is as kind to your wallet as it is to the planet. Durable, tech-tested, and built to last, the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam outperforms other steam mops with its unbeatable combination of power, intelligence, and convenience. The high-temperature steam sanitizes floors naturally, while the rotating pads eliminate the need for scrubbing by hand. It's lightweight, easy to use, and designed for homes that demand effortless, professional-level cleaning. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort, this mop is your secret weapon. Click Add to Cart and let the SpinWave SmartSteam turn your floors from meh to magnificent, without breaking a sweat.